In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a messenger chat to ClickFunnels. We're going to connect a messenger-style chat widget to your ClickFunnels page using a tool from the Common Ninja catalog. By the end, your visitors will see a clean, branded chat button they can click to start a conversation right from your funnel. This works well for lead capture, answering FAQs, and giving your pages a more personal touch. Start by heading to the Messenger Chat widget in the Common Ninja catalog. This is where you'll build the chat interface that will appear on your site. Think of this as your control panel for how the chat looks and what your visitors will see. Make sure you're signed in and use a modern browser so the editor loads smoothly. Next, customize the appearance. Choose colors that match your brand and maintain strong contrast so the button is easy to spot. Set a clear contact name that tells people who they're chatting with, like support or sales, and update the status to reflect your availability or typical response time. Pick an icon that feels familiar and inviting. Something simple stands out best. As you fine-tune the look, keep the experience consistent with your funnel's design so the chat feels native to your page and not like an intrusive pop-in. When you're happy with the design, click Save Changes, then choose Add to Website to copy your unique embed code. This snippet is what links your page to the chat widget. Keep it handy and avoid sharing it publicly. If you need to step away, paste it temporarily into a safe note so you don't lose it. Now, open your ClickFunnels dashboard and navigate to the funnel step where you want the chat to appear. Click Edit Page to launch the page editor. Double-check you're editing the exact step your traffic will land on to ensure the widget shows up where you expect. In the editor, add an HTML/code element, sometimes labeled custom HTML/JS. Drag it onto the canvas. A good practice is to place this element near the bottom of the page so it doesn't interfere with your layout, though the chat will usually appear as a floating button regardless of placement. Paste the Messenger Chat embed code into that element. Make sure you include the full snippet and don't add extra characters or formatting. Save your changes and preview the page. You should see a Messenger Chat button or widget ready to click. If it doesn't appear right away, publish the page, refresh, or try an incognito window. Also confirm any pop-up blockers are disabled. That's it. Your Messenger Chat is now live on your ClickFunnels page.